How to move photos to your iCloud storage on your iPhone. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can move your photos to your iCloud storage. So let's get into it. First, you're going to get to your settings of your iPhone, and this is where you will land. So in your settings, you're going to scroll down a little bit and click on General. In General, you're going to scroll down to iPhone storage. So within your iPhone storage, you will be able to see the storage that your photos have, and you will be able to see the storage for other apps as well. Here you can see we have the storage of our photos here in yellow, you can see, and you will be able to check it. So I already actually have my iPhone storage to my iCloud, the photos. So how you enable that option so that your photos are uploaded on iCloud and they're using the iCloud storage. So you have to give permission to iCloud to do that. So we're going to get back to our settings here, and we're going to go to our iCloud profile. So within our profile, you can scroll down a little bit and you will find iCloud. Here in iCloud, you can see we have photos, apps using iCloud. Click right here. In photos, you need to enable this option, and then this storage will be managed by iCloud. You can see the manage storage option. In iCloud, we have all of the photos and videos, and then we have sync this iPhone. The option is enabled. So all you need to do is just click right here to enable this option, and your photos will be moved to iCloud storage. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.